Okay, here's the Model 3, the refreshed one. Camila's fitting in there. Wait, there's a button, right? Where's, oh, this here. If I close it, you push that, okay?
No!
You don't want to try?
I don't want to.
Too scary? Too scary?
No, don't close it, okay?
Okay, I won't. And Owen's in the tunnel. This one you can't, wait, how do you open this if you're stuck in there? Is there a button? Wait, how do you, because this button will be, oh here. Okay, so there's a button here. This one you push sideways like this.
Close the door.
Close it. Use this to open it. Let's see if she opens it. I think she doesn't want to open it. Tell her to open it. No, the seats are down, so she can crawl through. I don't think she's trying. You're not trying? Did you try it or no? No. Try it. Watch out, okay? This green one, just push it sideways. She do it? Push it. Oh, now open it. Can you open it? Lift it up.
Push.
It didn't work. It didn't work? It unlatched but it for some reason didn't go. Okay, I'm gonna try it now. So there's this. So you push that and then you have to lift the trunk. It's heavy, oh my goodness. So if you're trapped in there, it's really heavy. Like I had to push this really hard up to get out. So let me try it again if I push this and stop it. So this is like if you're trapped in there. This is really hard to lift. Oh my goodness. So yeah, if you're trapped in there, I don't know, you'll be able to like lift it enough and then you'll be like, help, let me out, help, let me out. But enough to like crawl out, I don't know, it's really difficult. Okay. And they have this. Lumbar support, cooled seats. What is this? Oh. Huh, interesting. Now the doors have a little metal thing that goes into the door. I don't know if that's to reduce rattling or what is that. And have this. It's open. And then the back only has the heated. The one thing with this is this folds down, you still have that, so it's just a tunnel. You don't have access to all up there if you need like a dog that's tall that wants to stand there. These are only heated, not cooled. And then you have this, which doesn't need a latch or anything. It pulls down easily. Nice. And then this has the electric moving fan control vent. And yeah, the little pockets. This is a solid plastic sheet instead of the fabric-y material or fake leather stuff. And that's it. And then the glove box. What is this? Okay, I'm on limited time, so the one thing I was wondering, okay, so this has one USB-C port, so there's the 12-volt cigarette lighter, and then there's the USB-C port in there. The one thing though is this car, the seating area is smaller, it's lower to the ground. I didn't see the, what do you call? The easy entry mode. I don't know if they removed that feature in this car or if I just didn't find it, but I tried the search function, I couldn't find it, so I don't know what's up with that. Anyways, I'm gonna return the vehicle. I'll see you guys later. There's a rock here, that's not good.